Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be using this Curl Me Happy Bye Bye Knots cleansing conditioner, and the first up is my son. He has 4C hair, more of a kinkier texture, and this conditioner did leave his hair soft, so that's a thumbs up. And next we are gonna be having my daughter. She has a 4C 4A texture, and this conditioner took well her hair too. It was very soft. And lastly, my son, he has a 4A and 4B hair texture, and it took well. You know, it left his hair moisturized as well, so I was excited about that. Well, here's their chocolate fudge deep conditioner, y'all, and this thing smells like some good chocolate, y'all. So right here, my son who has 4C hair, it left his hair very moisturized, as well as my daughter who has 4C 4A hair, it left her hair very moisturized as well. But it didn't leave my youngest son who has 4A and 4B hair moisturized at all. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so brown sugar curl parfait and blueberry cheesecake jelly cream left all of my kids' hair very moisturized. Okay, so even after my youngest son who has 4A 4B hair, it left his hair moisturized. Okay, so it put back that moisture. Okay, so that's a plus. So here, y'all, I'm going to be putting in 2 strand twists all over my son hair. Okay, y'all, so here I'm going to be putting in flat twists in my daughter hair into this cute bun in the back. And lastly, y'all, this is my youngest, and I'm going to be putting in some good old-fashioned dookie braids. So yeah, y'all.